Wait, how much are they? Hi everyone! So we just got to the Rose Bowl flea market. I've never been here before, but because of Sharina's video and I know that she has a beautiful variegated string of hearts, we're on a mission. Gonna see some plants. Put a bunch of hanging planters on. I mean, trailing plants. I can't talk it. Oh, such a cute name. Look at that little sign. Look at that little planter. This one has really big leaves.
That's huge.
40. Plant Patrol. We found another one.
Said eats a pickle.
Another booby packet.
Oh yeah, the booby.
He wants a Stephanie Rectal.
This one looks like a tamarind.
Oh, it's kind of cool. Very blue. Look at all the funny terracotta.
Nemo.
We found more plants. Clearly we're here with one mission. You can see the plants over there. We are just walking around looking for any greenery.
Whoa. Is that $61 for a huge plant? Wow. That's cute.
My voice
When you said chunky.
It's a philodendron yo. Look at this variegation in the back.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Pretty. It's like the one I was looking at Mickey's.
Look how full this one is though.
Cute. Oh, look at that one. He had 2 variegated string of hearts this morning and they were sold. I'm so sad. But look, very, very large ones. Oh, look at this one, Sarah Delicious, and then here. Oh, this is 30. Oh, it's a big one. This is 40. I have a pothos and joy at home, but I've never seen them with such large leaves. Check this out. How pretty they are. This one's so full. Oh my goodness. Now, how much is this one?
That one is 30.
30? It's massive. Oh, I wish I had the space for it right now. I really like this. It's only $40 here, and apparently this can hold up to 300 pounds. Maybe for the patio or balcony that we have? We got nothing. We just made it to Sunset Nursery.
Lights, camera, action, bitch.
I'm not really a begonia person, but the color is kind of cool. And, okay, so today we're just finding massive Pilea peperomias. What in the world?
What are the prices here?
$2. Oh, this one's 20. Oh, how cute! Little peperomia hopes. They're so cute. Those little succulent, chubby little leaves. $6.99. String of pearls for 20. And then string of bananas. That's more string of pearls. There's string of hearts over here. How much is this? $24.99.
Wait, what?
I've been looking for that one.
Oh, their video.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I just found these. I actually was looking for these. Wait, how much are they? $34.99, and they're so big. Look how full they are. Which one should I get? This is a cool spot I kind of found. Oh my gosh, they're so big. This is so cool.
This one has a lot more new growth on it, I think. These ones, look at here.
This one has, I think, bigger leaves. Or am I making that up? I'm getting another one.
Another plant joins the home.
It's on my list. You know, the bucket list that you created.
Behind the scenes. How cute is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
They're all so cute. It's $14.99. And they're trailing
They're
really
so
nice.
bright and pretty.
I am waiting to get one for our new place eventually.
Yeah.
Not now. I really love how mature it looks. It's so gorgeous. It's actually a monster. This is the Bental Sensation. I really love this color. I think it needs a lot brighter light than other snake plants. This is actually a lot heavier than it looks. This is today's arm workout. This is 150. Oh yeah.
What is this one again?
This one? This one is an allocation. The black ones are so cool. To keep this one safe, I'm just putting it in the middle here. It doesn't really move. And I'm so excited. I finally got my philodendron bipennifolium. This is a new leaf. And it's so full. So the total was $35. And I think this one was a really good deal. I've been looking for this one for a while now. And I wasn't expecting to get such a big one. This is heavy.
Okay.
What are you eating?
Stop.
Because why are you recording me?
So we just left that restaurant that I had the elote, and now we are going to another nursery. I've never been to this one. This one is called Rolling Greens. Let's check it out. I love how variegated this taniki is, and it's so big. Usually when it's this variegated, I've seen it a lot smaller. I used to have a taniki that was not as variegated, but it's so pretty. Look at all of these. That one is 150. Ficus triangularis is 165. I always think these are really cool. The alopecia revolutional, and that's 45. But I've seen the really big ones at Home Depot. I have little Monstera deliciosas for $24.50, and then a much larger one here, and a 10-inch for $65.
Big ass fig leaves.
Small. Wow. Now I'm starting to see the silver stripe everywhere. This is the philodendron silver stripe or Rio, and this is $12.50. It's not bad, and it's already starting to trail. Do you think it looks different from my Rio Sport? I think it looks pretty different.
I think they look pretty similar.
I think they look very different. Because this one has more of a lime green look to it, and then the Rio Sport looks like it has more of this color in it. The bluish silver color. This is so full. So we've had Enjoy, Photos Enjoy. It is $22.50. And it's so heavy. And I have so many of them, look. These are so full. These are probably one of the fullest ones I've seen. And for $22.50, like, look how large these leaves are. This is $27.50 for neon photos. So these are cheaper, which is kind of surprising me. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a marble queen pothos this full.
That's taller than you.
Holy moly. This is only $22.50. Okay, so when we move in for trillium plants, I think we should come here. $22.50 for this.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I'm actually struggling to hold this one up. This is a donkey tail succulent, and it's $24.50. Oh, it's reverted back. So any variegated plant can revert back to green. You can see this green, it can revert back if it doesn't get enough light.
Yuck.
But in order to maintain the variegation, you can just chop it off. What'd you get?
I got, how do you say it again?
A syngonium.
I got two different ones. This one is more of a lime color, and this is like a little bit darker of a green. I just love more to my family collection.
Yay! And now I'm gonna spray down the plant with my plant spray. If you want to know what's in this, I have a video and I'll link it at the top. I am just gonna spray it down until it's dripping, so both sides, the top and the bottom. And the soil as well. So I'm just gonna keep spraying. So spraying the soil. I want to make sure that I'm not bringing any pests in here. And then I'm gonna let it sit for a bit, wipe down each leaf. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!